Hi guys, hope everyone is doing really well. We are back again, and this time we are doing a really quick grilled cheese sandwich recipe which actually includes a bread that you make at home in 90 seconds. And yes, this will be using some processed cheese as well, because sometimes self-care involves a little bit of an indulgence, but I just want to make sure that you guys know that this is a treat. It's not something that you should be having every single day, but sometimes it's okay. So if this sounds like something that you would like to have, just keep watching till the end of the video. As always, I just want to mention that the description will have all the ingredients. So what you need to get started is some almond flour. You'll need about 3 tablespoons of this. And then to that you will add some baking powder. This is a really easy recipe. As you'll see, it just requires a couple of ingredients. Once you've added in your baking powder, you are going to need some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use coconut oil if you like. I just prefer the taste of olive oil. And then you are going to add in 1 egg, and that really is the extent of what you'll need for the bread. Now, because I like being extra, I do add some seasonings. I'm adding some garlic salt here and also some Cajun seasoning, but honestly, you can omit this completely. You can add in something else, but just make sure that you mix this really well. You're gonna form a batter for your bread. It's gonna be like a thick oatmeal consistency almost. Yeah, like pretty much like this. And once you get to this point, and I forgot to mention, please make sure that you are using a microwave safe bowl because you will be microwaving this. So just microwave it for 90 seconds. And once that's done, you're gonna need to wait for this to cool down, which is something that I did not do, which is very less than smart. But please wait for this to cool down. And then once it's cool, you can just slice the bread in half. If you were to use a square container, it would look more like bread slices, but honestly, that is, I mean, it's just aesthetics, who cares, right? And then I'm just adding in my cheese now. Because my bread was round in shape, I had to fold the cheese a little bit. You won't have to do this, obviously, if you use something that is square shaped. Once we are done, we're actually going to cook this in butter. Now, I love cooking my grilled cheese sandwiches in butter. If you want to use oil, that should be fine. But honestly, if you're on the ketogenic diet and you have the option to have butter, why wouldn't you? So once that's done, we get this really delicious sandwich, and just look at that cheese melt. It is absolutely delicious. You will not regret this. It only takes 5 minutes and just a couple of ingredients. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment. Please do subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And I will speak to you again next time. Thank you so much for stopping by.